math, science, and so forth. Has any of that helped you with your journal?
It's helped with language arts, so like public speaking, and math has helped like more with coding.
Hello, I'm Richard Jessie, Occoquan District School Board member. Prince William County Public Schools is one of the top divisions in Virginia. However, like any large system, performance varies. Some schools are excelling while others need more support. Much like in sports, success depends on leadership, teamwork, and execution.
Thanks for coming today.
Oh, you're welcome.
We're excited to show you all the updates.
All right. While Prince William County School is already among the best, our goal should be to significantly exceed state averages and strive to be the top district in the Commonwealth. That means improving SOL scores, ensuring equitable resources, and continuously striving for excellence. My role as a board member involves listening to the concerns of students, parents, and the staff, and forward these concerns to the superintendent executive cabinet for their resolution. I have been very pleased with the overall response from the cabinet. The greatest joy this year has been submitting needed improvement to Woodbridge Senior High School and witnessing those tangible improvements not only being heard, but fixed.
It really has done so much for the program.
I take pride in knowing that bringing these concerns forward has led to real change. To our dedicated teachers, principals, and staff, thank you. Your work is not easy, but it's life-changing. Celebrate the moments when a student achieves something that neither you nor they expected to happen. Not only does this unexpected achievement motivate the students, but more importantly, it should motivate you to fully embrace the belief that all kids can learn and learn at high level. I also thank the voters who put their trust in me. My hope is that by the end of my term, even those who didn't vote for me will say, I wish I had. Prince William County is strong and we can always improve. Let's continue working together to make every school the best it can be. Thank you.